Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, we are on unit number 13, Things Around Us. And today I will deliver its 19th lecture, and it is the unit of first half of the SLOs. हम बाकी half जो है वो next lecture में करेंगे. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. So here you can see different animals on your screen. Quickly tell me that what is the difference in hen and a bird? Hen cannot fly, birds can fly. Hen does not live in nest, whereas birds live in nests. Now what is the difference between hen and a cat? Cat eat meat, hen does not eat meat. Cat has fur, whereas hen has feathers. So my dear students, now is the time for review. So one by one हम तमाम pages को और SLOs को जो है वो review करेंगे कि हमने क्या पढ़ा, and then I will provide you with an assessment sheet. So on page number 106 we discussed about living and non-living things. So quickly tell me that do non-living things move like living things? No. So do non-living things grow in size? No. Only living things can grow in size. Okay, then again we discussed about different modes of movement. So could non-living things eat and breathe? No, only living things can eat and breathe. Then we discussed about, again, living and non-living things. So have non-living things young ones like living things? No, only living things can reproduce, plants and animals. So we discussed about different types of plants. So what are different types of plants around us? Rose, neem, elastonia, fan palm, neem tree, peepal, Ashoka. So these are different plants, marigold that we see around our houses. Okay, then in which feature plants are different from each other? Plants जो हैं वो सब plants हैं, but still they are different from one another. How? In size, in shape of leaves, in colors, in the size of and shape of the stem, in the color of stem. Some have flowers, some do not have flowers. So this is how plants are different from one another. Okay, so why do we need plants? We need plants for food, vegetables and fruits. Then what plants give us? They provide us with food, shelter and shade. Okay, now is the time for evaluation. For evaluation, you will, which one grows, living things or non-living things? Only living things can grow. So in which feature plants are different? So plants are different in size, shape of leaves, color and flowers. So now is the time for practice. I will provide you with an assessment to evaluate you. So my dear students, here's the worksheet. Write down your name and your class and then identify living and non-living things and write their names in the columns. So इनमें से कौन से living things हैं और कौन से non-living things हैं आपको identify करना है और इस column में note down करना है. So because this is your test, this is your assessment, I will not help you out this time. So pause the video, think carefully and then complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has done this assessment. So now what you will do is आपने इसको अपनी टीचर को सबमिट करवाना है. टीचर जो है आपको assess करेंगे, evaluate करेंगे कि आपने कैसा जो है वो टेस्ट परफॉर्म किया है. Okay, my dear students, now let's quickly move forward for your homework. So now what you will do is question number 5 given on page number 125. आपने question number 5 जो है ये अपनी notebooks में करना है. This question, are fallen leaves living? How? जो leaves हैं जो ground पे गिर जाते हैं क्या वो living है? अगर है तो कैसे या नहीं है? So जो leaves ground पे गिर जाते हैं then they are not living because now they will not grow, they will not move, they will not need food. So now they are non-living. Once they are not with the plant, वो plant के साथ attach नहीं है, वो गिर गए हैं तो अब वो living नहीं है क्योंकि ना अब उनको food चाहिए, ना उनको water चाहिए, ना ही वो move कर सकते हैं. So now the fallen leaves are non-living. So this is how you will complete it in your science notebook. Okay, my dear students, now is the time for a wrap up. So now all the students are able to tell that living things can grow, move, eat, breathe and have young ones, but non-living things cannot. We see different plants around us like rose, fan palm, cypress, aloe vera, peepal, neem, marigold, etc. And plants are different in height, leaves, flowers and growing places. We need plants because they give us fruits and vegetables and which are good for our health. So my dear students, plants give us shade, shelter and wood. My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's review और आपने इस चैप्टर से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. Stay tuned for the next review. इसका next half का review मैं आपको next lecture में दूंगी. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.